I'm Jackie B from Jackson's. This is Callams Close in Rainham, situated on a lovely walkway position with a garage to the rear. Come with me, we'll take a look inside and see what it's got on offer. So we stepped inside and you've got this fabulous fitted kitchen, all beautifully presented with high shine doors, and they're all handless units. Also, there's many built-in appliances, including a washing machine, a dishwasher and double ovens just over here. Also, you've got a hob and a cooker hood. Breakfast bar as well, so there's somewhere to eat, no need even to put a table in here. On this floor, there's also a lounge with doors out onto the lovely garden. Upstairs we've got 3 good sized bedrooms and a family bathroom. This is the master bedroom, which is a really generous size, and you've also got built-in double wardrobes just here. So we popped out into the garden. As you can see, we've got a lovely decked area just here. And for easy maintenance, we've got a lawn that you vacuum, not mow. So it's all nice and easy to keep. At the end of the garden, we've got a gate which takes you out to the rear garage, and you've got a personal door to the garage just from here. I'm Jackie B from Jackson's. It's been my absolute pleasure to show you around this lovely family home. If you'd like to know a little bit more about it or to take a look inside, drop me a message, give me a call. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.